Having trouble with your Walmart Family Mobile hotspot? You're not alone. Many users experience issues with tethering, where their mobile data isn't reliably shared via Wi Fi. This section breaks down the primary causes and provides a quick overview of how to get your hotspot working. The most common reasons are misconfigured APN settings, limitations in your data plan, device compatibility problems, and network congestion, especially during peak hours. In many cases, 70 to 80% of these problems stem from APN mismatches. We will be targeting these problems and how to resolve them in the next section. Let's get your hotspot working. First, ensure your plan supports tethering. Unlimited plans like the $45 per month for 10 gigabytes or $55 for unlimited typically allow it, but lower tier plans may have restrictions. To enable tethering, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot, and Tethering on your Android device. On iOS devices, find Personal Hotspot in your Settings menu. If your hotspot still isn't working, the APN settings are likely the culprit. Walmart Family Mobile's correct APN is fast.tmobile.com. Also make sure that Wi-Fi calling is enabled on your phone, as this has been known to cause conflicts with hotspot connections. In the rare occasion that this does not work, contact Walmart Family Mobile or T-Mobile support for further assistance.